look what I got you. It's super tiny and super cute. It's got a brick front porch. It needs some love. So this is the situation. There are renters on this side that are staying, they have a lease for the foreseeable future.
Okay.
They started renovating this side in a way.
Okay.
So I think we need to redo the whole outside.
Yes.
And then finish the inside. And then when these people are done living here,
we can do that
we can
side.
deal with that. In the meantime, we'll rent out the right side. Then after both sides are renovated, we can talk about whether we want to keep it as a rental or sell the whole duplex.
All right.
Yeah. The porch isn't in bad shape, concrete-wise.
No, porch looks fine. I'll be interested to see what we find under here.
Yeah.
Can I pull a piece off?
I don't care. Worst case scenario, we just put beadboard back on. Oh, there's beadboard under. It looks like beadboard that was on fire.
Ah.
Look at this, it's all singed.
Yep, that's why they covered it. There was a fire.
Well, that's gonna have to be replaced. Over there's not bad.
That's just smoke over there.
Okay.
This is almost done. I don't know what to say right now. Living
Took out
room,
some
kitchen.
wall and rebuilt the other walls, but
Can we get rid of this?
yeah, the divisions are kind of funky, and this is the kitchen, so I think we need to get rid of this
Get rid of
wall.
these walls.
But I think what would be super cool,
I kind of like the chimney though.
I know, I think we could leave that exposed.
Oh yeah.
This was kitchen, so this is the biggest problem. These two windows are
Too low for countertop.
Too low for countertop. Those two windows need to come out and be raised because the kitchen isn't big enough to not have countertop there.
Okay.
There's also another issue that is not gonna be cheap. There's no plumbing roughed in anywhere, so that didn't get got to.
Okay.
But this, I would imagine, is stove microwave.
What's this?
So this is the bathroom,
Oh, it's already got a tub?
and it's not great looking.
No, but there's nothing wrong with
I know,
it.
there's nothing wrong with it.
Might be fun to, if you're gonna tile the floor, go up the wall. That might be fun.
Behind the vanity and up over there.
Yeah.
I don't want to go too crazy. We'll do some sourcing.
Okay.
And then this is the bedroom. And
So it's just a one bedroom.
It's a one bedroom.
Oh my goodness. This chair is fantastic.
During the construction of the house, someone obviously took a break and made that. But you can just keep that chair in the backyard during the project, and that can be your resting chair. This, I think, for how small this room is wasted space. I kind of get what maybe they were going for, is like putting a bench top and using it for storage. But I think if we cut this out, it will be more functional as like a desk.
Absolutely.
So it looks like you just need to like put flooring down and paint, but there's no plumbing hooked up. There's no central air conditioning. I did notice there's some noise transfer between units. So I think we're gonna need to talk to the guys about some like injection spray foam between the units. Outside, the whole house needs to come off, and then clean up the garage, because it came with a garage. We paid $30,000 for this entire duplex. Considering this neighborhood and the fact that we're gonna keep it as a rental unit for a while, I don't wanna spend more than $50,000 renovating this right side. It's gonna be tight, so we're gonna have to stick to the basics on this one. Even so, I'm hoping that we can bring up the value to at least $120,000.
That's the ticket.
So now that we've got demo rocking and rolling, oh yeah, go for it. We'll figure out our final interior floor plan and what's gonna make the most use of this itty bitty space.
What you doing?
Finishing our floor plans.
Really? No graph paper?
For Palmer, because it's just like, we're not moving any structural walls, we're not doing any of that stuff. We don't need plans to pull our permit.
Nice.
So we're gonna save about $1,000.
Okay.
I'm gonna do this. So this is what we got now.
Yeah, really? Tell me, please. It's interesting to me that her depth perception, her ability to walk into a space and see a final floor plan is so good, and her ability to draw it is so bad. It's amazing
It's pretty impressive.
that those two go hand. It's amazing.
You walk up to the very large porch.
The very small porch.
Yes.
That it would be nice if we could vault it.
Yeah.
That would make it feel bigger.
Yeah, I mean, we have to take it down and see what's up there, but that's not a bad idea.
Okay.
And then when you walked in before, it was kind of divided into 3 chunks.
Yes.
We're gonna open it all up. So you walk in, you got a living room area, a small area that you could put like a little dining table.
Okay.
Across from the little closets, and then the kitchen area. So we're gonna pop out an island.
Okay.
So we've got some bar seating. And then the bathroom right now is only plumbed for a single vanity, but I think we can get a double in there,
That'd be nice.
which would be lovely.
Yeah.
Out back, we've got a nice little postage stamp yard, garage.
But I see that you have a deck on your plan.
That should be like that question mark.
Okay. Why question mark?
Budget, I don't wanna build it.
Okay, so we can have a deck if I build the deck.
Yes.
Okay, can I get helpers?
You can recruit whoever you would like.
Can I get ice cream?
Yes.
Okay.
I can do that.
I will do the deck.
Ice cream for deck, easy
All right.
peasy.
I feel like that's a good...
These are the best plans I ever drew. We're pushing hard on our little house on Palmer, and it's ready for exterior paint, but we are definitely taking a risk with this color, so it never hurts to double check before we start painting.
I see a paintbrush. I see a roller.
Do you have the green paint here too? I want to see the green paint. We pick these colors and they're on little swatches, and they always look different when they're up. And
Yes.
usually it's good different.
Yes.
Every once in a while it's bad different.
Yes.
So you just never know. You want me to open that?
Yeah.
Isn't that pretty?
Yes, it is.
What are you doing? You're gonna make a mess of their paint bucket.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I want to start painting.
So on the swatch, it was slightly dustier rose looking.
Well, wait till it dries. Give it a minute to dry.
oh, this is the accent color. Are you ready?
Oh.
Isn't that pretty?
I want to start painting.
We're working really hard to get our Palmer duplex done so Steph can move in soon, and it's starting to look really nice. Outside, all of our pretty pink paint is up, and the metal roof is going on. It was only about $1,000 more, and it's gonna give the house a really cottage-like feel, but still very fresh. Inside, Mom and Dad used spray foam to help insulate the interior walls.
Look at that.
Whoa.
Because the drywall was already up, so they just drilled a few holes in the wall and sprayed the spray foam in.
Oh, that's so great.
And in the bathroom, we're installing porcelain hexagon tile from the floor to the ceiling. It's a little bit more expensive to do it this way, but this is one thing Mom really pushed me on, and I agree since it's for Steph. But I also think it'll help the resale value. Mom also talked me into letting her add a deck in the back.
Even though the yard's small, I think adding a deck that takes up about half of it will create some outdoor living space and make it feel better.
I mean, I definitely think Steph will love the deck. And I mean, it will pay off down the road. People love to have outdoor living space.
So I can just line this up right.
Yes. You've never installed a deck before.
I never have.
I don't know how many decks I've installed. A lot. You have a very quick learning curve. I mean, you do.
I appreciate it.
Yeah. All right.
All right.
So here you go.
Oh my God, it's so cute.
Really?
I love it.
Yay! I knew we'd make you cry.
You guys made the pink work. I don't know how you did it, but it works. It's awesome. I love it.
It's not overwhelming.
No, it's not. It's very soft. The color of the door is awesome.
You like it?
Yeah, I do.
It almost matches your shirt. It's like a gray-green.
Yeah, I love it.
And then Mom wanted to do some of the accent here. So the vertical bricks, it's just a little detail, but I think it makes a big difference.
Cool.
You can't see it very well from here, but you have a metal roof.
Oh, very cool.
It looks really
It's like
cute.
a little cottage.
Yeah.
I love it.
And the 3 plants on the steps, those are Sally's.
There's actually
So-
4 there.
Yes.
Mina wanted to
kept
make
those
sure you
alive.
had those.
That's awesome.
Steph recently suffered a really devastating loss. She's very close to her mother. She loved her very much, and she just passed. And so there's a little part of Steph's mom, Sally, with her in this new place. And That makes me feel really good.
Do you want to go see your little porch?
Yeah.
Because we have this nice dividing. It's private, which is what you like.
Yeah.
You're like, everyone just stay away.
I do.
Okay, come on.
I'm a nice person, I promise. Ooh, it's perfect. I love it.
You wanted to sit out here and like drink coffee,
Yes.
cocktails.
And it's private, and it's so cute.
And when we started doing demo, I don't know if you remember, but the porch roof was flat. And once we took that down,
Oh, yeah.
it wasn't necessary to be flat. So we were able to angle it back up, and I think it makes it feel a lot bigger.
It feels huge.
Even though we closed it in.
Yeah.
Okay, do you wanna go inside?
Yeah, I do. Oh my God. So cute. Oh my God. I love it.
You know you've done a good job when someone takes a glimpse and starts crying. You're like, yes, nailed it.
I always wanna make people cry, then I feel bad when they cry.
I love it.
You know,
It's perfect. I love the floors.
These are vinyl plank too, so the dogs
All the
cannot do
dogs.
anything to them.
It's so cozy. It's so cute.
And this space had the wall right there, so it felt super small when you walked
Yeah.
in. You like walked into a wall. So we got rid of that, opened it all up, and now the whole space gets so much natural light with all the windows. And I think the flooring all being the same makes it feel a lot bigger.
She's still just crying. I love it. It's fantastic.
Sorry.
I just want you to take a peek over your left shoulder at your little coat rack.
Oh my gosh, that is so cute.
That's all stuff Mom kept from demo day.
I love it.
Since you love that calm, beachy feel, we use lots of textures and soft colors, and even the live edge shelves kind of have that driftwood vibe. So it's like you're at the beach.
They're
And
awesome.
yeah, they turned out super cool. And I said the floors are the same throughout, but we actually have this hint of super coolness over here.
I know, I see that.
So let's go check out this area. We did the really pretty wallpaper,
Wallpaper is amazing.
and then this super cool
So
flooring.
cool. It's awesome.
I went with a matte light gray tile that has a similar saturation as the wood floors, which helps the two materials blend together without abruptly stopping your eye.
You guys have never done anything like that.
No, we wanted to try something a little different. And
Love
this
it.
was that space, so there was a wall there too, and it didn't really feel like we were gonna be able to fit a living room, a dining room, and the bar seating.
Yeah.
But I think it all works
It
really
all
well.
it works, yeah.
And we were able to keep the brick exposed, so
Yeah.
we just cleaned it up a little bit, and I think it
Super
adds some
cool.
texture.
It's perfect. It feels huge.